Yellow Tape by Abhinav Gurram and Shuban. Worldwide, there exists a population of over 2 billion alcohol and drug users, which rounds out to around 30% of the world's population, or around every 3 out of 10 people. Out of these 2 billion people, around 50% of them consume these alcoholic or drug substances daily. Simply put, a large part of the world's population consumes some form of drugs regularly, a number which we can only see to drastically rise in the upcoming years.
From cities to states to countries, a lot of governments are slowly starting to draw back regulations and restrictions on the use of drugs, such as marijuana, LSD, DMT, and other drugs. The world is changing quickly, but breathalyzers aren't. Breathalyzers these days can only measure the amount of blood alcohol content, or BAC, and have not really changed for quite a while, although the world has. With the price of breathalyzers skyrocketing, while the quality of breathalyzers going down, and with new drugs such as marijuana and LSD slowly but surely being legalized, it's time to create a new breathalyzer. A breathalyzer that can not only continue to measure things such as BAC, but also measure how intoxicated a person might be by something other than alcohol, for example, drugs. Or simply as put, have a product that can take the technology of the past and the technology of the future and have it all together, creating yellow tape.
The breathalyzer market is quite more valuable than many expect. In 2021, the market value is $3.045 billion. On average, the market grows by 10% each year, and by 2027 is expected to reach an all-time high of $4.821 billion. Now let's get a deeper look at yellow tape. Yellow tape is an all-in-one breathalyzer, which upon release will be able to measure how much alcohol, marijuana, and hallucinogenic drugs, along with other substances, a person has consumed using non-invasive, innovative nanotechnological sensors. Our product will be able to eliminate modern-day problems such as invasive testing, expensive testing, and inaccurate testing. It will also be able to reduce drug use, drug-influenced behavior, and alcohol-related activity both on a commercial and on a user scale. It will raise convenience, reliability and trust, ease of use, and feasibility in the entire breathalyzer industry, and it will create an all-in-one solution to get accurate testing, early diagnosis, and affordable healthcare through the form of a breathalyzer, which is extremely dependable. Our breathalyzer is already quite special as it is, but it carries with it quite a few benefits over conventional breathalyzers. Our product can outperform the breathalyzer industry highest standards in almost every category, such as production cost, price, quality, functionality, ease of use, substances measured, with our breathalyzer being able to measure a plethora of substances, and most importantly, accuracy.
So as a product with taking breathalyzers to the next level, a major question that pops up is, how do we plan to grow? And who are we even trying to sell this product to? Now, when we talk about having product variations in the future that can serve both governments and consumers alike, we're referring to different versions of our product. One optimized for consumers and one for the government, both of which of course will receive upgrades over time. With big plans to expand, it's only right that we lay things out in a more understandable format because, after all, big goals are great, but can't be met and exceeded without a proper plan. We hope to make our product convenient for customers while also maintaining a level of simplicity and environmental friendliness.
As a company, we realize the full potential of our products such as Yellow Tape, and we intend to reach that potential and eventually start expanding and reaching into new markets. Our short-term roadmap looks a little bit like this. In quarter 2 of 2021, we intend to start filing legal paperwork. In quarter 3 of 2021, we intend to start getting expert opinions on our product and possibly go ahead and start submitting our products for international testing and approval. In quarter 1 of 2022, we intend to secure manufacturing and distribution contracts. In quarters 2 and 3 of 2022, we intend to start distribution of our product on both a national and an international scale. When it comes to pricing, we intend to price our product extremely competitively. Raw materials per unit on average will cost around $38 but may change due to economies of scale. Labor, testing, and shipping per unit will cost on average around $16. Our price for a multi-substance breathalyzer will be $119, which is $10 lower than the industry standard of a one-substance breathalyzer at $129.
Over time, we hope to release updated and more technologically advanced models of our product generating more profit and revenue. Our expected revenue in 5 years is over $20 million and $8 million in profit. However, at the end of the day, it's only fair to give back to the community. A product like ours has the potential to do a lot of things, and we want to make sure that helping our community is one of them. Over the years, we've planned on giving back in grants, community programs, and many more. Because at the end of the day, our community is our family.
Yellow tape, from the past to the future.